This video will walk you through how to view and manage your tasks, ensuring you stay organized and on top of your responsibilities. Before we begin, we recommend you to follow along in your own workspace to help you become more comfortable with organizing your tasks and customizing them to suit your unique needs. My Tasks is your personal command center for managing work. It consolidates all tasks assigned to you across spaces, folders, and lists, providing a centralized view of your workload. You can easily launch My Tasks from the sidebar. My Tasks is available on every ClickUp plan, and everyone, including guests, can use and customize My Tasks. My Tasks allows you to get a snapshot of all of your tasks, deadlines, and priorities, giving you a clear understanding of your workload at a glance. Whether you're focusing on today's tasks, overdue items, or upcoming deadlines, choosing the right combination helps reduce context switching and boosts focus. Here are the cards you can add. AI Stand-Up summarizes your progress using ClickUp AI. This is ideal for daily stand-ups or async check-ins. Recents lets you quickly jump back into work with links to items and views you've recently accessed. Agenda centralizes your day by pulling in scheduled tasks, reminders, and calendar events. My Work. Prefer the old layout? This gives you a familiar view of tasks and reminders. Assign to Me lets you see all your tasks at a glance, sorted by due date so nothing falls through the cracks. Personal List lets you create a lightweight personal to-do list that's separate from your team's hierarchy. Assigned Comments lets you keep track of all unresolved comments assigned to you for quick resolution. Priorities focus on your most urgent work by highlighting high-priority tasks in one place. Reminders. Never miss a follow-up. This card shows your personal reminders by due date. If you're just getting started, we recommend using a limited number of cards to keep things easy to manage. You might want to start with the Recents card, which allows you to see items and locations you recently opened. To add cards, simply click Add to Overview. Let's add a few more cards here. Customize your experience by reordering and resizing cards. To resize a card, hover over the border of the card, then drag the border to resize it. To reorder your cards, hover to the left of the card name, then grab the drag handle to move the card. To remove a card, hover over the card and select the ellipses icon. Select Remove Card. Let's remove this card too. As a best practice, add and organize cards to centralize your workload. Keep only the cards you use regularly. A focused My Tasks reduces clutter and makes it easier to act on what's important without distractions. If you expand My Tasks, you'll see the following sections: Assigned to Me, Today and Overdue, and Personal List. Let's review each of them. Assigned to Me. Assigned to Me is like a personalized list view that automatically pulls in every task assigned to you, no matter where it lives in your workspace. It's your single source of truth for staying focused, accountable, and on top of your work. What makes this view powerful is how deeply customizable it is. Group your tasks your way. Choose to group by status, priority, due date, or any other field. Want to tackle high-priority tasks first? Just group by priority and you're set. Control how subtasks appear. Collapse them for a cleaner view, expand them to see task details at a glance, or treat subtasks as standalone items. It's up to you. Decide what details you see. Show only the custom fields that matter to you. For example, if status and priority are the key fields you track, just toggle those on. Filter, search, and customize even further. In the upper right, select the filter icon to filter tasks. toggle completed tasks on or off, run a search, or open the Customize menu for even more display options. Next, Today and Overdue. Today and Overdue allows you to have a streamlined view of your tasks, scheduled items, and reminders, ensuring you never miss a deadline. This section allows you to effortlessly manage your daily workload and overdue tasks with a clear, organized view, enhancing productivity and focus. You can view My Work on the left. It's organized by to-do, done, and delegated tasks. To customize your My Work settings, click on the gear icon and select the appropriate settings. On the right, you'll see your daily agenda. You can view your tasks and scheduled activities for the day. Prefer a visual layout? Click the ellipsis icon to switch to calendar view for a time-blocking perspective. As a best practice, use tasks assigned to me as your daily command center. Set your preferred groupings and fields once, and it becomes your go-to space to stay on track without the noise. Have you ever wanted to use ClickUp to manage your personal life, but were worried about keeping it private and separate from your work? Introducing Personal List. Personal List is your own dedicated space for tasks that don't belong in your team's workflow. Think personal to-dos, private notes, or side projects. It lives outside the ClickUp hierarchy, so you don't need to choose a space, folder, or list to create a task. Just add and go. This is perfect for managing your own priorities before pushing tasks into shared spaces, capturing quick thoughts or reminders, and keeping non-work tasks, like travel planning or errands, in the same place without cluttering team views. Just like tasks assigned to me that we discussed earlier, you can customize your view by adjusting the grouping, subtask settings, and define which columns to appear in the view. You also have options to filter, a button to show tasks with closed status, an option to search this list, and a Customize button to further personalize your view. By default, you already have a list view and board view. However, you can further enhance your personal list by adding a view, which offers a fresh perspective on your tasks. We'll explore more about views in our next course. Personal lists are private by default. This way, you can keep your personal items to yourself without worrying about others seeing what you're doing outside of work. However, you can share them if you wish. To share your personal list, go to the upper right corner and select Customize. Select Sharing and Permissions. And in the sharing modal, select or invite users. You can also choose the type of permissions to assign. As a best practice, use Personal List to keep personal tasks separate from team workflows, but within the same system, so nothing slips through the cracks. Next, learn various collaboration and communication strategies to keep you and your team in sync.